welcome to Crafty Ames Workshop, and today I'm so excited I finally got to go to Michael's. I've been watching YouTube videos about people who are getting like the $4 boxes, just a grab bag, and you don't know what you're going to get until you open it up. So I've been wanting to get up there and I never have, and with the St. Patrick's Day going over, I knew they must have some $4 grab bags or boxes, and that's right up my alley because that's like a special day for my husband and I. So when we went up there today, I found some bags. So I just got one because I've never done this before and I didn't want to be wasting money if it was just junk. So maybe if I like what I got this time, maybe next time I'll get a couple bags instead of just one. But along with that, I also bought some other items that I needed for my craft supplies. So let's get started. Okay, so here's the bag. And obviously I can kind of see in there that there's some St. Patrick's Day stuff in it, but that's okay. I don't mind. I just can't see what it is. So obviously $4. Kiss Me, I'm Irish, which is perfect. I love that. It's kind of sparkly. That is really nice. And that was normally $10. So, had I bought that during the occasion, I would have had to pay full price. And then I've got garland. Woo! That was normally $6.99. Ooh, cool. I got 2 of the St. Patrick's Day coins. You want to see that? That's pretty cool. Ooh, I've got some ornaments. Different types of clover ornaments. Shiny ones, sparkly, and some solid green ones. So that's pretty cool. That one is $4.99 and you get 8 pieces. Oh, I got 3 of those. 3 packages of those. So I can definitely decorate my house when the occasion comes back again. And then I have some necklaces. Those were $1.99. You get 2 of those. Another one. I got 2 different types of headbands. Those are cute. I don't know if I'll use them, but I'm sure I can find somebody who might use them. I like that one. I probably would use that one just because it's so cute. So 2 of them. Those were each $2.99. Oh, how sweet! Okay, here's a little skirt. That's funny. That's $12.99. $12.99. I definitely got my money's worth for sure. That is too neat. Oh, cool. I love that. $9.99, and I got 2 shirts. This one was a large, this one is a medium. This one says Happy Go Lucky. I like that. That's perfect. Well, I think that was it. I think $4 is actually, you know, I made my money back for what I got. Even if some of the stuff I don't like, I definitely got $4 worth for sure. This all added up, I don't know, probably, these were $10 each, so 20, what were these, 20, 25, 30, 35, what's this, 35, that's 12, 35, 6%, 48. These were 12 together, so 48, 50, 60, $60, 60, and 65, 70. This was $10, so that's $80 right there. That's $10, that's $90. And then these were $2 each, so $94. $94 of stuff that during the holidays I would have spent $94 on that I got after the holidays for $4. So if you like St. Patrick's Day, you need to get up to Michael's and get your bag. There were just, there were probably about 10 more bags left in my area. So I think I got my money's worth out of that, definitely. And I really, that's awesome. I love that. So, there you go there. And then they also had a sale. Well, I don't know if it's a sale, but they had some sketchbooks. If you guys need a cheap sketchbook, I got this one, hardcover. The paper's pretty nice in it. My daughter looked at it and she says she likes it. She's trying to become an artist. But these were only $5, so it's a pretty nice book too. So you might be interested in getting one of those. And then at Michael's, I also found a bunch of clearance stuff. And I'm a washi tape hog. I love washi tape. These were $3.99 for that one. Let's see. That one's got Be Bold, Be You, Be Brave, and then some of the other designs. I don't know if you can see it. So that one's nice. And that was only, what did I say, $3.99. And I got this one. There's all different kinds. These are just the 3 that I picked. That one's got beautiful, several different colors on there. And then this one, also $3.99. So I think I got a bargain because these usually, they can run up to $14. Yeah, that one says $14.99. So $3.99 is really good. And then I'm going to try this Delusions paint. I don't know if, I've never used it before, so I'm going to try it out. If anybody else has used Delusions paint, let me know what you think about it. I've not used it, so I'm going to try it out. I got me some Sharpie markers. These are the fine lines. I don't remember how much those were. Then I got a little keychain fuzzy to put on a book. That was $2.99. A book or your phone or whatever you got. And then I got some letters, and those 267 piece from Recollections alphabet stickers. And these, I can't remember. These were probably about $3 or $4. And these are the more glittery type letters. And I have that for a project that I'm in the middle of right now. And then I stopped by Target and I found I needed some glue, because on that project I did in the last video with the Venus flytrap, I was trying to put the little hairs on the Venus flytrap mouth for the clay, and the super glue or the crazy glue that I used turned white, so it looks kind of shabby. So my husband found this Gorilla Glue, but this one, it dries clear, but I don't know how long it's going to take to dry, and that's the problem that I had. So I got that, but I also got the super glue liquid permanent from Scotch. I don't know if that will be white or if it will be clear. It doesn't say anywhere on here, and I don't have my glasses to tell you what it says. So I don't know, all I can do is try it out and see. And then I found this Mod Podge. I would like to know if any of you have used this. This is the dishwasher safe gloss, and you can use it for indoors or outdoor use. You can put it in the top rack of your dishwasher. It's water-based, non-toxic, dries hard, no tack. So I thought I would try that on some projects and see if it's any good. Because, you know, sometimes with the regular Mod Podge, the glossy or the matte, sometimes that can be sticky. Especially like in my books. I don't know if it's where I live, the humidity, but if you let the pages come together, which you got it in a book, they're going to go together. When you close it, the pages will stick together. So I want to use this on maybe my clay work, and maybe try it on a page in my sketchbooks and things like that, just to see if it would stick. So I got that. Okay, I got my markers, the Sharpie markers, and that was it. So I'm so excited. If you guys made it down to Michael's, or if you'd like to make it down to Michael's and get yourself a $4 grab bag, it's totally worth it. I recommend it. I'm gonna do it again for sure. I think they usually just do it after holidays usually, so you know, you might want to try like the week or two after a holiday, and you might be able to find the grab bags. So $4, and I got $90+ worth of product. I can't say much more. That's pretty good. Alright. Well, you guys have a great day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Please subscribe and share my videos if you can. And I will see you in the next video with more crafty happiness. You guys have a great day. Bye.